Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Mazda CX5 Sport Nav. This car comes with the 2.2 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 173 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 51 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and the car's covered just over 48,000 miles and comes with service history from Mazda. This particular colour is the pearlescent pearl white and is in really good condition for the age and mileage. As for everything inside, first of all, we've got the nice raised driving position. The seats are electric and also leather, and the front seats are also heated. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. On the driver's door card, you've got your Bose speakers for the sound system, and also your folding mirror controls and your 4 window switches. Being an SUV, really practical for the family, so lots of headroom and legroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original Mazda carpet floor mats too. Opening the tailgate on the CX5 reveals a really good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that comes up with the tailgate. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator kit as well as some extra storage. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.